Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is: Ohno Company specializes in manufacturing a unique model of bicycle helmet. The model is well accepted by consumer and the company has enough order to keep the factory production at 10,000 helmets per month. Ohno's monthly manufacturing costs and other expenses that are as for rent of factory equipment 11,400, insurance on factory building 2,390, raw material plastic 78,000, utility cost of for factory 910, supplies for channel office 390, wages for assembly line workers 63,400, depreciation on office equipment at 130, miscellaneous materials kilometer etc 1,420, factory manager salary 16,600, property tax on factory building 470, advertising for helmets 40,400, sales commissions 10,990, depreciation on factory building 1,650. And the answer of the question is manufacturing overhead rent of factory equipment 11,400, insurance on factory building 3,390, utility cost for factory 910, miscellaneous material 1,410, factory manager salary 6,600, property taxes on factory building 4,070, depreciation on factory building 1,650, production cost 24,840. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.